Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Forge of Empires. So without any further ado, let's get started. Forge of Empires is a popular real-time strategy game series where players build civilizations, gather resources, and engage in combat with other civilizations. Now in order to download it, first of all go to Play Store. In the search bar type in Forge of Empires. Now in order to download this app, tap on the install button. Now after the app has been installed, click on the play button in order to play the game. So that is how you can download Forge of Empires. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.